Another over Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic is crop production and management, part 6. We talked about improvement of crops, crop breeding, plant breeding, soil improvement by crop rotation, by mixed cropping, by protection from by field follow. These things helps the enhancement of nutrients in the soil. Now we will talk about the third point in case of improvement, that is protection from pests and weeds. Now we have to protect our crop from pests and weeds. For that, we have to spray some common pesticides to prevent the spread of diseases. And diseases of plants are caused by virus, by bacteria, by nematodes, by fungi. And to prevent the diseases to spread, the plants are sprayed with chemicals like pesticides, nematicides, and some of the common pesticides are common pesticides: DDT, diphenethylene, trichloroethene. Okay. Number second is parathion. Number third is, these are the common pesticides: malathion and BHC. What is this BHC? This is benzene hexachloride. And these chemicals are they protect the crop from insect pests. But one of the main drawback of using pesticide is that they are not specific. They are not only kill the insects but are harmful to the human beings. They are not specific. So the scientists are trying to develop certain chemicals which will kill the specific pests. These chemicals are produced by living organisms and are known as biocides. Pesticides which are produced by living organisms, those are called biocides. Then fourth top point came under this heading is storage. And one of the important reason for this storage for food is the loss of food grain during storage. Storage should be easy to clean. It should be waterproof. It should protect the grains against variation in temperature and humidity. It should be located at the convenient place so that the transportation become easy. It should be well protected from rodents and rats. It should be convenient for regular checkup, for storage of food materials, and it should be convenient for the use of pesticides and also for the control of microorganisms. Okay. क्या मतलब है इसका? जो हमारी स्टोरेज है ये ऐसी होनी चाहिए, इट शुड बी ईजी टू क्लीन, कि जो हम क्लीन ईजीली करें, जो वाटर प्रूफ हो, जिसमें कल को बारिश हो जाए, बर्फ़ हो जाए तो ख़राब हो जाए, नहीं. It should be waterproof. It should protect the grains against variation in temperature and humidity. And it should be located in the convenient place जहाँ से हमें transportation easy हो. Rodent से rats से बचाने का it should be well protected from rodents and rats. And it should be convenient for regular checkup. Okay, this was our improvement of crops. Now we will talk about dairying. What is this dairying? Dairying, this is another topic. Dairying. Dairying होता है डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स. डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स में हमारे क्या क्या आते हैं? डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स में हमारे आते हैं आइसक्रीम, कर्ड, मिल्क, बटर, चीज़. ठीक है. Creams are kept and butter and cheese are made. That is known as dairy. And the business of dairy is dairying. Okay. Useful animals play a significant role in the welfare of mankind. And we keep certain animals not only as pets but also to serve some specific purpose. For example, we keep hens for eggs, we keep cow for milk. This keeping and breeding of animals for specific use, that is called domestication. That is called domestication. What is the domestication means? The keeping and breeding of animals for specific use, that is called domestication. And the domesticated animals have special qualities of working for the use of man. These animals, they have to provide food, shelter, protection against diseases. And all domesticated and useful animals constitute livestock. हमारी यूनियन टेरिटरी में कैटल है, बफलोज, sheep, goat, horse, pony, donkeys, mules, camels, yaks and poultry. Okay. तो इनमें आता है हमारा some famous goats and sheep of J&K are Pashmina goat, marine sheep, Kangan goat and beetle goat. Okay. और जो cows, buffaloes, goats and camels are milk producing animals होते हैं in our country, India में. Milk from goat is nutritious and sometimes preferred to cow's milk. The milk of buffalo contains more fats than cow's milk. Buffaloes are the major source of milk in our country. The well-known breed of buffalo are Morrah, Jafarabadi, Mehsana, Surti, Neeli and Nagpuri. Red, Sindhi, Sahwal and Gir, they are the indigenous breed of our dairy cows. Rest we will talk in another chapter. Till then, goodbye.